Do you like your home? Is it big or small? Warm or cold? In today's lesson, we'll explore the world around you, your home, your school, and your tools. You'll learn common English words for everyday objects and simple adjectives to describe them, like big, small, clean, dirty, strong, or soft. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions aloud. Let's begin. Mini story, Anna's cozy home. Anna lives in a small house, but it's very beautiful and clean. Her house is not big, but it's warm, quiet, and full of love. She loves her home because it feels soft, fresh, and comfortable every day. Her home has 4 main rooms: the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, and the bathroom. Every room is different, but each room is beautiful, tidy, and special. The living room is the biggest room in the house. It's bright, clean, and always smells fresh. There's a sofa in the middle of the room. It's long, soft, and very comfortable. She sits on the sofa every evening and reads a book. Next to the sofa, there's a square table and 2 wooden chairs. The table is round at the corner, but its shape is square on top. On the table, there's a beautiful lamp and a mirror that makes the room look bigger. On the wall, Anna hangs a big clock. The clock is round, white, and new. It ticks slowly, tick-tock, tick-tock, making the room feel calm. There's also a soft carpet on the floor, thick, smooth, and clean. She often lies on the carpet, looks at the ceiling, and relaxes after work. Her bedroom is her favorite place to rest. There's a bed, a wardrobe, and a small shelf for her books and notebooks. The bed is soft and the blanket is warm. She makes her bed every morning because she likes everything to be clean and beautiful. Her wardrobe is tall, strong, and new. She keeps her clothes neatly folded inside. On the wall, there's a mirror, clear, round, and shiny. She looks into the mirror every morning before going out. There's also a small lamp next to her bed. The lamp gives a warm yellow light. She reads a book under the lamp before sleeping. Beside her bed, she keeps her chair, table, and a few papers for her notes. Her bedroom always feels fresh, quiet, and safe. Anna's bathroom is small but very clean and beautiful. There's a big mirror above the sink. The mirror shines every morning when the sunlight comes in through the window. She uses her toothbrush, toothpaste, and soap to start the day. The soap smells like flowers, and the toothpaste tastes minty and fresh. Next to the sink, there's a towel, a comb, and her favorite shampoo. Every evening, she takes a shower before bed. The water is warm and the bathroom feels cozy. Sometimes she takes a bath in her bathtub while listening to soft music. The bathtub is big, white, and very smooth. She says, "A clean bathroom makes me feel fresh and relaxed." Anna spends a lot of time in her kitchen. The kitchen is clean, bright, and organized. There's a table, 4 chairs, and a fridge full of food. On the table, she puts plates, bowls, cups, and glasses. The plates are round, the bowls are deep, and the cups are small. Her favorite glass is tall and clear. She drinks water from it every morning. She uses a spoon, fork, and knife when she eats. The spoon is shiny, the fork is straight, and the knife is very sharp. On the stove, there's a pan and a pot. She cooks rice in the pot and she fries eggs in the pan. She loves to cook, taste, and keep her kitchen clean and beautiful. Her fridge is always full of fresh vegetables and fruit. She opens the fridge many times a day for water, milk, or juice. Behind her house, Anna keeps a toolbox. Her toolbox is old but strong. Inside, there's a hammer, nails, and a screwdriver. She uses the hammer to fix the chair, the nails to hang a mirror, and the screwdriver to repair the door. She also has a wrench, saw, and drill for woodwork. Sometimes, she cuts wood with the saw and fixes her table. She uses scissors, tape, and glue for crafts. When she needs to reach something high, she climbs a ladder, tall, strong, and stable. Anna smiles and says, "Working with tools is not difficult. It's easy and fun." Anna loves learning. In her study corner, she keeps her school items. There's a desk, chair, and shelf for her books. On the desk, she has a notebook, pen, pencil, eraser, and ruler. She writes notes every day in her notebook. She uses a pen for writing and a pencil for drawing. Her eraser is small, but very useful. On the wall, there's a board where she writes new English words. She uses a marker to write clearly. Her bag is always ready with paper, books, and pencils for study time. She says, "Learning English is not hard. It's easy, fun, and very useful." Her mind feels strong. Her energy feels fresh, and her smile feels beautiful. Anna's home is full of colors and feelings. The door is brown and heavy, but the windows are light and wide. Some tables are square, others are round. Her bedroom is narrow, her living room is wide. Her mirror is shiny, her carpet is soft. Every object has a different shape and size: thick, thin, deep, or flat. Sometimes she says, "This job is hard, but my life is good." When she finishes cleaning, she smiles. "Now everything is clean, not dirty." When she cooks a big meal, she laughs. "My pot is heavy, but my heart is light." At night, Anna turns off the lamp, closes the door, and sits quietly on her sofa. She looks around her home, her bedroom, her kitchen, her bathroom, her living room, and she feels thankful. Her house may be small, but it's beautiful, strong, and full of love. Every room is clean, every chair is soft, every tool has a purpose. She whispers, "Home is not just a place. Home is where I feel happy, safe, and free." Then she lies on her bed, turns on her lamp, and opens her book one last time. She reads slowly, smiles, and says, "Good night, my cozy home. Excellent work." You learned English words about home, furniture, tools, and school items, plus adjectives to describe them: big, small, clean, strong, soft, and more. Listen to this story again and again until these words feel natural. Repeat, answer, and imagine your own home in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, remember to like this video, subscribe to FluentEase English, and turn on the bell so you never miss new stories. Keep practicing every day and you'll speak English with ease. See you in the next video.